Howdy guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we'll be looking at the drop shadow effect. Let's just have a quick intro here. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover and we upload videos daily. So just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, if we head back in the program here, let me just cancel here. So another drop shadow or shadow effect. We have quite a few of them, but this one is the actual drop shadow effect. So in order to apply the effect, first make sure your shape or text is selected. So either click on it or drag a selection box over it. Once again, just a reminder, make sure the selection box goes right over the shape, otherwise if it's just a part, it will not select it. Pro tip, you can keep your shift key in and drag just over a part and then it will select your shape. You can also go from your layers panel here on the right and select the shape and it will activate the selection. Otherwise, to the effect, we want to go to our our top menu here to effects, and then you navigate down till you find drop shadow. Once we click this, it will bring us a pop-up menu with some settings. So then first here we have the X offset. So if this number goes to the positive, then the shadow will move to the right. If it goes to the negative, then it moves to the left. So let's just keep it positive. Then Y, once again, up and down. So positive, strangely enough, will moves it down, and to the negative moves it up. Then next we've got an insert here, and this will insert a bit of a white border spacing, you can say, around your text or shape. So that way, if your color is too close to your actual, let's just do that quick. Let's say your color is very close to the actual shape you're working with. Then what you can always do here is you go to the insert, and then you add a bit of an insert here, and then it will create a bit of a white see-through border, so that way it makes the text all easily readable. Then like we just covered, we've got the color here. You can just select that, and then let me take the insert off, and then also we have here remove foreground. Now we've got a few different effects can do this, but I'll just demonstrate you what this does. So if you leave it on and you click OK, then the shadow layer will be created, but it will be the same as the text, you can say, or the shape. So the behind this text over here, there's going to be a black A as well. Where if we say remove foreground, then it's going to make a cutout of the text on top of it. It's sometimes nice to leave this out if you plan on moving your shadow afterwards. But let's say you actually want to go for effect without your text on top or your shape. Let me show you. Let me click OK. And it will make your shadow. And now if we remove the top layer, you will see we've only got the drop shadow with the words cut out. So sometimes you want this effect, and it can kind of look nice in the right scenario. Otherwise, you can just put that back. And then, like I said, if you did it the other way, you can always afterwards move your shape or your shadow and then realign it where you want it. But this method will not work for that. And then, if we go to vinylcut.co.za, you guys can find the program freely available there. Just go to the downloads page and you can find it there. Otherwise, if you guys navigate to softwaretraining.co.za, you can find this video and more videos like it. Like I mentioned, we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover here, and we also have this nice little search option. So if you want to isolate and look for something specific. Otherwise, if you don't find what you're looking for, just go here to request a training video, and then we will make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.